Okay, already here. I have the Sew Sampler for June. Again, this was delayed because of vendor issues, I guess. So we'll just go ahead and unbox it now that it's here. Just got it today. The theme is Vintage Soul. So let's move the box off to the side, see what our coupons are. So there's a free Pink Oh-So cleaning brush set with a purchase. $15 or more, 20% off Laundry Basket Favorites collection of fabrics, and 30% off Pillow Talk book by Edita Sitar. I may have totally said her name wrong. So if you're getting the box, those are the coupons to be watching for. So there's our little cover. Here's our little card that tells us what we've got here. So I will go ahead and just start pulling some stuff out. So this is a Flamingo Toes Flamingo Stiletto. That's really cute. It says the value on this is $6.98. Turn tubes, points, all of that. So that's great. And it looks like it's by Riley Blake. So 6.5 inches tall. That's cute. Okay. We'll put the fabric in just a moment. Heat resistant thimbles, silicone thimbles. Protect your fingers from iron burns. That could be helpful. To be used on 3 fingers. So there's a set of 3 in here. And it's by the Gypsy Quilter. And it says the value on this is $4.48. So that looks pretty good. I like that idea because, you know, when you're doing some of the ironing, your fingers, you know, because I like to iron and then I like to hold it with my finger until it's cooled down to hold it in place. Then there is a Desert Rose needle threader. This is a Sew Sampler, got it first. That's really pretty. I really like that. That's nice. I think I said $4.48. That's good value. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the fabric. The fabric is Seamstress Charm Pack Laundry Basket Quilts for Andover Fabrics. And the value on this is $19.96. And it says that this is 2 charm packs. So let's just go ahead and get this opened. And let's see what we got. Rid of that. And there's 2 of them. So I'll just open one so we can take a look at the fabrics. So far I really like it. These are my kind of prints. There's that. That's pretty. I like that. Ooh, that's nice too. I like vintage fabrics. So these are right up my alley. Let's see what else we get. My fingers are not working very well today. So it looks like we have several colorways of similar prints. So I like that. Ooh, that's really pretty. There's actually a really good variety in here. Oh, I like that green. This is really nice fabric. And there's 2 of these charm packs. And now we're into some teals. Well, that's pretty. I haven't seen that one before. Maybe I did and missed it. Looks like there's quite a few different prints in here. It's not just, you know, 5 or 6 prints and you just get a bunch of colorways of them. So that's the entire charm pack. That's pretty nice. I like that. I think that's a good value right there. And let's see what the pattern is. The pattern is called Unraveled, and the value on the pattern is $9.98. This is a Sew Sampler exclusive. Let's see. And there is a finishing kit for this one. So I'll give you a closer up look of the quilt itself. Finish size 46.5 by 46.5. And what do we need? We need the 2 charm packs and then 1 3/8 of a background, 1st, 3rd, and 5th borders, 3/8 for the 2nd borders, 3/8 for 4th borders, 1/2 yard for the 6th borders, and 5/8 yard binding. So yeah, I'm not sure if I like the the color that they picked for the borders, I think I would probably do something a little, I don't know. I don't like that contrasty when you're working with vintage type fabrics. I like it when they look a little more muted and vintagey. So I probably will not pick up the finishing kit, but I probably more than likely have stuff that I already can use. And this looks pretty simple. Let me look at the pattern real quick. And yeah, it looks pretty simple. I don't know if I would call it a beginner, but it's definitely not advanced. So that's good. And then we have our Bright Side Quilt Along. If I can get it out of the box, it's stuck in there. Bright Side Quilt Along. And I think maybe you can see what the block is supposed to look like a little better from the little card. And it says the value on that is $4.98. So far, the quilt itself, the month quilt along, Bright Side Quilt Along, it hasn't really hooked me in yet. I like the blocks on their own, but I think maybe I need to see it, you know, in my head completed. So I will probably hold off on doing that particular quilt until I have all the cards, and then decide if that's something I want to do, what colors I want to do, that sort of thing. So with that, I think this was a good box. I think this was a good value. The fabric, $20 value on the fabric, $10 on this pattern, $5 on the other. This flamingo was $7. This is $5, or $4.50, and this is $5. So we definitely got our value. Oops, I'm not sure if you heard that. We're having a storm. I believe that we got our value out of this box for sure, and then some. I am really pleased with this box. So if you got a box, let me know what you thought of your box. And if you are interested in this box, just go check out Fat Quarter Shop. I don't know if there are any available. Usually there's a waiting list for these Sew Sampler subscription boxes, but go check it out because you never know, or get yourself on the list. I'm not affiliated with Fat Quarter. I don't get these free. I buy these myself, all of those good things. So again, if you got one, let me know what you think of your box. And if you didn't get one, let me know what you think of my box. So anyway, I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.